you so much. I'm so glad you were here. Thank you.
She wanted to congratulate you for how wonderful you were looking there. You were looking absolutely stunning.
You were amazing as usual. Rebecca's show today and so many more.
So kind.
Looking fabulous.
I've been following all your showstoppers.
Thank you all for being here. It's spectacular. Hi. How are you? Good. Did you all like the show?
Loved it.
Yeah. All right. See, this is what I love about Amchi Mumbai. You guys have energy, man. हाँ. जी. आप दिल्ली आए थे? You missed it. Thank you so much, Janmiri. Thank you. Of course, right after. We just finished this one. Definitely.
Sushmita, you were great. Just want to say that.
Oh, thank you, my dear. Thank you so much. I'm sorry, you just have to watch the dress. Thank you. हम इस मंच पर इनकी वजह से आए हैं, तो ये शुरुआत करेंगे। नीता जी।
थीम के बारे में अगर आप बता सकते हैं, बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल है।
For the first time, I can't say anything.
You won't believe it. From the day the show was planned, and मैं यही आगे भी कहती आ रही हूँ, that if Bombay Times Fashion Week could come up with the best possible idea to have a finale, इससे बेहतर और इससे कमाल डिज़ाइनर उनके फिनाले के लिए हो नहीं सकता था. I've always been a huge admirer of Neeta Luna because she's innovative, she does her homework, and she always comes up with something that stops your heart. She's a friend of mine, yes, but more than anything, when she told me this time for the showstopper, she said, it's very simple, it's a gown. So I got into this gown, and I never realized कि इसमें इस 80 meters fabric में fiber optics है, क्योंकि usually if you have batteries and fiber optics, you would see it.
Yes.
It's a very lightweight outfit. I was gliding on the ramp. Typically, you would feel heavy and it weighing down, and you're wearing a willpower without any straps, so that's another thing. She's magnificent, and Bombay Times did an incredible job of a fabulous grand finale. Mansi Scott rocked it. Don't you agree? She was absolutely amazing the way she sang. Rashmi Virmani, all the models. No, seriously, and 39 costumes for this finale, and each costume was as elaborate as you saw it. It has been my privilege to be her showstopper tonight, as it always is, but to also bring my two daughters here and for them to witness Miss Universe wearing a dress with all the stars and the galaxies within it. It was a moment I will forever cherish. Thank you so much, Neeta. Thank you. वो बहुत ही impromptu था और thank you so much. नहीं कुछ भी सब impromptu था. In fact, इस गाउन में भंगड़ा नहीं नाचना चाहिए, but you just Mansi's live energy, the fact that I have a designer like Neeta who tells me, you do what you want on the ramp, be yourself, because you have to let that comfort exude. I think the magical fact was that आज आपने जो भी देखा show में, it just came off that moment. It was not something planned or conceived, it just happened. It was magical. Magical. Hi Janmiri, how are you? Your hairstyle has changed. Nice, I like it.
Many congratulations. Thank you. आपकी कलात्मकता और रचनात्मकता का सभी लोग कायल हैं।
धन्यवाद।
कहाँ से ये विचार और कहाँ से ये सोच लाती हैं आप ये नया कर पाएंगे?
ये अगर सोच इंसान में नहीं हो, क्रिएटिविटी में नहीं हो, तो फिर क्या है? आई थिंक बहुत ज़रूरी है इंसान को खुद से हमेशा झगड़ा करना, खुद से कुश्ती लड़ना कि इससे बेटर मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ या क्या कर सकता हूँ, और यही सोच के साथ नई चीज़ कुछ बनती है. और इस ड्रेस के साथ में जो मेरी क्रिएटिविटी है उस पर 4 चांद लगाई है सुष्मिता ने. आई थिंक शी इज़ she carried off the dress so beautifully, and the whole ambience that was created by Mansi, by Rashmi, by Bombay Times for giving me this platform. Thank you so much. I think it was commendable, it was just magical, and for me today, for the first time, I say this in so many years, that this was magic and I can't speak.
Yeah, we like that. Like that.
यहाँ से जिस चीज़ से निकलती है उसको अर्श पर ले जाती है।
अरे क्या बात है, ये लिख लेना चाहिए मुझे।
माशाल्लाह।
शुक्रिया।
नज़ाकत भी थी और बॉलरूम डांस भी था।
आपने देखा? जी, आई थिंक ज़िंदगी एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत गिफ्ट है, उसे जीना बहुत ज़रूरी है। तो चाहे आप काम कर रहे हो या दोस्तों के साथ हो या जस्ट लिविंग every aspect of your life and every moment of it and coming alive with it is something I believe in. So जब मुझे काम करने का मौका मिलता है जहाँ पर इतनी छूट मिलती है that you go express yourself the way you want, then I think I am my best that night. But आज की रात इसलिए भी याद रहेगी कि इंडिया में एक ही डिज़ाइनर है जिन्होंने कभी भी फाइबर ऑप्टिक के साथ कोई भी इनोवेशन किया हो फैशन में. To be her showstopper and to be in that outfit, which is the fiber optic example, leading example for India, this will remain memorable even as a fashion statement.
आप काम कर रही हैं, आपने जैसे कहा, मेरे सहयोगी वगैरह सब बता रहे हैं कि आप फिल्म के लिए आपकी लगभग तय हो गई है।
लग और भग, मैं अभी चल रहा है, but लगभग, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
Please allow me to ask.
Yeah. Yes.
Talk about brighten up the lives of the people and the people coming forward and seeing us. We see a new wave which has
Yes.
been waiting to come up.
Yes.
This has risen and are now on the forefront.
Yeah.
I understand. I think you understand what I'm trying to say.
But why aren't you saying it? Why do you want me to understand it? The Me Too movement.
Yeah, please say it.
Say it.
the Me Too movement.
Say it.
आपको लगता है ये सही समय था और सही चीज़ हो गई है?
देखिए, सही समय तो तब से था जब से औरतें दुनिया में आई. सही समय अब या कल या परसों नहीं है. If at all we are delayed. But I am very proud of everyone. And it's not a gender bias about women alone. I think the fact that our society, our people, they're all standing up to express themselves, to have a voice, is so powerful that in my lifetime I got to see that. Makes me very, very proud as a woman and as a human being for my country.
But the things कुछ शॉकिंग भी रही है, आपको लगता है जिस तरह से चीज़ें आई, जिन चीज़ों के बारे में मालूम चला, आपको कहीं शॉक लगा इस चीज़ से?
देखिए, शॉकिंग हर बारी होगा. Shocking हर बारी होगा. It's not whether it's shocking to us or not, but we're also not ignorant people, we're not blind. It's not like we never knew things like this were happening in the world or in India. But I think what is more shocking is that we did not listen to it for so long. That's shocking to me. And we did nothing about it. But right now, it's not shocking that it's coming out. I'm very proud of them.
The corrective measures which are taken, जो corrective measures लिए जा रहे हैं, आपको लगता है वो सही है, संतुष्ट हैं आप, और क्या किया जा सकता है?
देखिए, ये एक शुरुआत है. हमें सुनना पड़ेगा. You have to listen. You have to believe. And you have to know a simple truth कि सच्चाई एक इंसान पर एक जन इल्ज़ाम लगाए तो शायद झूठ हो. 50 लोग एक इंसान पे इल्ज़ाम लगाए, उसमें कुछ तो सच्चाई होगी. So you should listen to people and give them a fair hearing and let justice prevail. But women, thank you, man. Well done. I am so proud of you. And men supporting that from the media, from the other social sectors of our country. About time, man. About time. Well done. Thank you so much.
Can we have the lights off for a minute? Can we have the lights off for a minute? Yes, can we have all the lights off?
और हमें सराहना करनी होगी गीता की भी, इतने बेहतरीन काम इतने वर्षों से करती आ रही हैं.
अगर आप लोग लाइट थोड़ा डिम कर देंगे तो हम आपको ड्रेस दिखाना चाहेंगे. थोड़ा सा. ये वाला भी बंद कर देंगे. दिख रहा है? See this? सकता है सिवाय मेरे, क्योंकि मैंने पहनी हुई है, तो मैं घर जाके सारे वीडियोस देखने वाली हूँ what all it is. But isn't that beautiful? It really is.
इसको कहाँ और पहनना चाहिए?
अरे मैं उनसे पता क्या कह रही थी सबसे पहले, that when you switch off the lights without the fiber optics also, I would love to get married in this, man. It's like this feeling of, you know, walking down the aisle and something like
हम
this.
कब से इंतजार कर रहे हैं इस चीज़ का?
हम भी इंतजार कर रहे हैं. कम करने
आगे कर दो यार.
आगे
एक सेकेंड
बता दीजिए बॉटल सामने से.
अभी रुको, अभी चढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं, हम हैं, मैं हूँ, नो प्रॉब्लम, काम डाउन.
Is the hair okay?
या
यार यहाँ की लाइट बंद करो.
होटल से नहीं बोल सकते. अरे उनका यहाँ पे थोड़ी बटन वटन. बॉयज इज डन. डन. अच्छे से डन. ओके, थैंक यू.
Thank you guys so much. Lovely seeing you.
Thank you for some lovely words and for supporting all the women.
Always love.
Thank you.